Okay, here is the homemade air compressor I made for the silent running of the airbrushes. Wife wants to start an airbrush tattoo business, and I hate a noisy compressor. This one used to be just as noisy as that one, but now it's much quieter. I tried it over the weekend. It's set for 3 days, and let's see here. Still has almost 60 psi from 100 psi for sitting for 3 days. Not too bad. Got a small leak somewhere. Took off the original compressor, used the housing, fuse, and switch. Everything that was in there ended up over in this box, and there's the original pump. Noisy little guy. So, I mean, this is an old compressor, so it's not super quiet, but it's 100 times better than what it was. Okay, compressor's running. I guess it doesn't like to start when it's really cold outside. Like I say, it's an old one. You can hear it running. Anyways, just a 3-gallon compressor. Had a coupon for Harbor Freight for $39. Figure for $39 and 2 free refrigerator motors, why not try it? Turned out pretty good. I'm happy with it. And that's all there is.